Hello again, PSDV Middle School. You made it to the end of orientation. Fantastic job. It's Miss Allison. We're going to take a couple minutes to look at those tasks that you and I looked at together at the beginning and make sure you have everything you need to go ahead and wrap up for today, all right? So the first task was to go through the rest of the information on this slide's presentation. We talked about at the beginning. Hopefully you were able to go through, learn about some new parts of our middle school, see the faces of some teachers you'll be working with this year. So if you are now on this slide, you are good to go. You've done that. Great job. Step 2, you were asked to go ahead and find your advisor's learning page and just click around, learn a little bit more about your advisor and look at what that learning page looks like. Remember, that's a separate web page, right? It's its own thing. That's where your advisor is going to have their home base as well as your content teachers, and we'll talk a little bit more about that as the week goes on. All right? If you could not access that, please make sure that you are contacting your advisory teacher right now and they can help you get to where you need to go. Cool. All right, guys. Next one, the Google survey. There's a Google survey on this slide. Please make sure that you are filling that out. It's just some information that we need as your teachers. So make sure you're filling that out, hitting submit at the end. Awesome. Number 4, signing up with a meeting with your advisor. So don't forget that your advisory teacher is going to be having a one-on-one video chat with you at some point this week, Tuesday through Friday, so one of those days, so we can just get to know you a little bit better. We want to hear about what's going on in your world and talk about what this year is going to look like. So make sure you signed up on that. It's through a Sign Up Genius link specific to your advisory teacher. So it should say their name on it, and you'll pick a time, and then we'll get in touch with you about what to do when it's your turn, okay? Awesome. And then the last thing, if you are looking for something else to do on this wonderful Monday, on the slide below, we're going to talk about learning spaces. So what does it look like to set up a learning space at home? Maybe some ideas about what you might need or what it could be for you, okay? So that's just something to start thinking about. We'll talk more about that as the week goes on, but there's another activity below if that's something that interests you today. Thank you so much, guys, for your hard work today. It was just so exciting to be able to get started on this amazing year together. We are so excited to have you a part of PSDV Middle School, and we cannot wait to get to know you more. We'll see you guys tomorrow.